Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to another episode of the Strength Classroom. Today I'm continuing my equipment series. We got the grip bars, the glute ham raise setup, and today we're going to go with my belt squat setup. So, this is from Revolt Fitness, and it is just the most simple belt squat setup you can get for a home gym. I was looking into the bells of steel, belt squat stand, machine, whatever you want to call it, but that looked like it was a bit too big. It was a little bit too much expensive. I wish I bought it before COVID. It would have been way cheaper. I think I just literally typed in on Google cheap belt squat machine, and this is what came up. This is the best home gym belt squat machine in my honest opinion. $219 US. You cannot get any better than that. Let's see how you load this sucker up, how I've modified it to fit my needs, and how you easily can too. Follow me. Alright, so what I like about this company is they have two models. They have a 3x3 and a 2x3. So it can fit whichever rack you have. Beautiful, beautiful business decision on their part. So what you just have here is this little pin that goes through the subsequent larger pin that keeps this thing in place. Sure, it shakes from side to side a bit, but you shouldn't have any problems whatsoever. I don't sway side to side when I squat, and neither should you. Then you just have this pipe right here. And what I like about this, it's fairly short, so the moment arm, the way the weight feels, doesn't really change. Now you might be thinking, this pipe is pretty small, which it is. However, there's an easy way to modify it to make it longer. Then you just hook yourself into this right here. It does not come with a clip, so you have to provide your own. My main criticism with this, and I hope they come out with something for future people that do decide to purchase this, is if you watch my previous belt squat video, I don't like belt squat setups that you have to squat down to get the bar, because that's cutting your range of motion. You just need two things, something long and something hard. Alright, I literally just had these two things in my basement. I just duct taped them together, and there we have it. We have a way to start off from the top. It's basically a self-spotting machine. This has worked perfect for me. I've had up to 6 plates on here, and I have not felt any more comfortable. Normally I set this up outside of the rack. I have no clue why I set it up inside the rack. So if this doesn't feel comfortable, I'm just gonna switch over. But all you're gonna do, normally I tiptoe off, put this off to the side, and squat down. Now, another criticism I have, this might touch the floor, so all you have to do is step on some boxes. This will make sure the range of motion is never impeded from the floor. Then you just simply grab your self-spotter, put it right back there, step down, bing, bang, boom. Now, I promised you earlier, talking about how you can increase the loading of this belt squat attachment. All you have to do is pop the top out. Then you can load as many plates as you want, and I'll show you what you have to do. You just gotta find something that will fit inside. Now right now, this plate is basically just sitting on top. It's being held on by a thread. If I were to come all the way down, this is sliding right off. So, insert this plumbing pipe with a little flange at the bottom, shove it right in, and there you go. This thing is going nowhere. I do the same thing with my sled when it can hold 7 plates on my sled. When I want it to go higher, I just plug this little bad boy in, and it stays right there. Plus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 350 pounds, you don't need to be belt squatting more than much. Believe you me. This will benefit the people that have thin plates. If you have big bumper plates, I'm sorry, but you're out of luck. I believe the company is making a longer version of it, which is great. If you have thin competition plates, even better. This can hold up to 440 pounds, they say on their website. And I mainly use this as an assistance exercise, so I'm not worried about what my 1 rep max belt squat is. All in all, this is a great product. I actually give it a 9.5 out of 10. But for the price, for the space saving alone, this is great. It feels just like regular squatting, all in the lower half of the body, no spinal compression whatsoever. It does what a belt squat should. I must say, this might be better than my DIY hack from home. Then again, you have to pay for this, you don't have to pay for mine. So if you like my DIY squat hack, go watch that video. Save yourself about $250. If you like this, you got some money to spend, really want an easier setup, go to revoltfitness.com. As always, class is dismissed.